look out for the entire pharmaceutical pack. The Department of Pharmacy has in fact asked the government to allow FIPB to clear all the foreign deals when it comes to the pharmaceutical space. There, they moved the PMO's office for this proposal to go through. Remember, in October 2007, CCI actually was made the governing body for approving all such deals, and post that a lot of deals have been pending at the government, and to expedite the faster approval of these deals, this proposal has been moved by the Department of Pharmacy. If you look at the deals which are stuck, some of them include Ankur Pharma, which plans to raise close to 40 crores from foreign investors there, and Pletico Pharma, which has been looking at raising 490 crores by diluting 22% stake to FCCB. So we might see a bit of reaction coming in on that space. Also look out for ONGC. The company's subsidiary ONGC Videsh has pulled out of its block in South China Sea, essentially on back of some problems they were facing on those waters there. Remember, ONGC had acquired 2 blocks in Vietnam, and there are some logistical issues they are facing when it comes to drilling wells in that area. So let's see how the counter reacts. If you look at ONGC, it is it has cracked close to 7% in the last 1 month and trading below that 7-day RSI in the oversold zone there. So this might, put some pressure on the counter. Also look out for Adani Enterprises. Their wholly owned subsidiary Adani Gas is raising the prices of CNG by 53 rupees per kg from 50.2 rupees per kg earlier. The price hike essentially would be effective from Thursday midnight in the cities of Ahmedabad and Baroda, where they provide CNG. Now the company says that with the rupee weakening, they are forced to actually go ahead and hike the prices of CNG there. So keep an eye on that when the stock again has cracked close to 22% in the last 1 month.
All right, Megha, thanks for that. For mid and small cap stocks, let's go to Navneet.
Morning, Nikunj. Keep an eye on the aviation space as the oil marketing companies have cut the ATF prices by almost 0.4%. And remember, this is the 3rd straight cut which has come since the month of April. So some uptick you can expect in the airline stocks because ATF constitutes almost 40% of the operating cost for these airlines. So keep an eye on the aviation pack, and also do watch out for the addition deletions which have come in the MSCI indices. Starting with the MSCI Global Standard Indices, there have been 3 additions and 1 exclusion. Among the additions, it's Kane India, Bank of Baroda and Godrej Consumer, and Suzlon has been deleted from the MSCI Global Standard Indices. And among the small cap indices, there have been as much as 7 stock additions and 31 stocks have been deleted from there. Among the additions, it's Corporation Bank, Page Industries, India Bulls Power, Island FS Transport, MOIL, Polaris, and Suzlon has been included in the small cap indices. And some of the exclusions are Gammon Infra, Zuari, Videocon, Shree Cement and Pfizer.